Hi, my name is Rahul. Today we are discussing about integers part 2, positive and negative numbers. So, this day we are discussing about multiplication and division. So, multiplication of integers. So, if you do long method like minus 5 into minus 5 plus minus 5 plus minus 5 plus minus 5, so it will take more time. See, you know, first you will know, you have to know about equation. See, you learned this equation in class 6th or in 5th. So, for you know this equation means you can see short, if there is short time you have to do. If you do long method means it take more time. So, for short method, see, minus 5 into how much, see, these are 4 times. So, minus 5 into 4 is equal to minus 20. See, this is short method. Now, product of 3 or more negative integers. So, now minus 4 into minus 3 into minus 2. So, see, this is also a long method. So, if you read this, if the number of negative integers in a product is even, then the product is positive integers, and if the numbers of negative numbers in a product is odd, then the product is negative integers. Means, see, these are odd. If you can directly do, see, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So, you can write directly minus 24. So, it will take short time, and this is even. See, minus into minus plus, plus into plus plus. So, 20 this is 120. So, you can put plus 20 or you can directly write minus 20. Properties of integers. Closure under multiplication. So, now we will talk about closure under multiplication. You know that integers into integer is equal to integer. So, now for example, see, integers are closure under multiplication. You know that for all integers a into b is an integer. Means, see, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, or if you take negative integers also, minus 2 into 4 is equal to minus 8. See, these all are, this negative also an integer. See, these 3 are integer. So, for multiplication is closure under, see, integers are closure under multiplication. Now, if we talk about commutative properties, see, so this is also a into b is equal to b into a. So, like if you take an example, 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. So, means 3 2s are also 6 and 2 3s also 6 and 3 2s are also 6. So, if you take any example, multiplication is commutative under integers. So, now multiplication by 0. If you do any multiplication by 0, see, 2 into 0 or minus 2 into 0 or 23 into 0, or see, if you take long also, see, 23,400 into 0. If you do any multiply with this 0, the answer will be the 0. See, if you do 23,400 into 0 also, the answer will be 0. So, now about multiplicative identity, you know that 1 is the multiplicative identity because, see, minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. So, you take any example, 5 into 1 is equal to 5, or minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2. See, these are, see, they all are same. So, 1 is the multiplicative identity for integer, but you think minus 1 is not an multiplicative identity, because see, if we multiply minus 1 to a number, like we see, we additive inverse of an integer is a, means additive inverse means if an additive inverse of minus 8 is a, when we multiply 8 into minus 1, then it will be minus a, means like 8 into minus 1 minus 8. See, it will be additive inverse. See, a into minus 1 minus a or minus a into minus 1 is a. So, if you multiply any number with minus 1, you will get additive inverse of that number. See, the additive inverse of 8 is minus 8, or additive inverse of a means it is an example, a is minus a, or minus a additive inverse is a. See, now associative property of multiplication. Now you know that a into b into c means a into b into c is equal to a into b into c. Means like you take an example 1 into 2 into 3. We will take an example to this equation. So here also 1 into 2 into 3. So this is equal, you know that. See, 2 3s are also 6. 1 into 6 is equal to 2 into 3. See, 2 3s are also 6 and 1 6 is also 6. So multiplication is associative for integers. And now last property of multiplication, distributive property of multiplication. So now distributive property means you know that a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c, you know. Now we will take an example to this. So distributive multiplication is distributive for integer. For example, like see 1 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3. So see yeah, 2 plus 3 5. So 1 into 5 is 5, and here also 1 into 2 2 plus 1 into 3 is 3. So 3, see 2 plus 3 is 5. So these all are equal. So multiplication is distributive for integers. Now we will talk about division of integers. So you know that division is not applicable for any properties, means the example of closure law, you know that. You know that division is not applicable for any integers, means see, if 4 into 3 is 12, see 4 means like, see this is wrong, 4 divided by 2 is 2, but see 2 divided by 4 is 2, but when 4 is divided when 4 is divided by 2 it is 2, see, and when 2 is divided by 4, the answer will be wrong. See See, 0 point something. So 0 point means it is a decimal. So it is not an integer. So it is unequal. So division is not closer under integer. See example. And another example. 8 divided by 4 is 12, but 4 divided by 8 is 2.666. So this is a decimal. It is not an integer. So division is not closer under integer. And in commutative property also, see, 5 by 5 is equal to 5 by 5, but 9 by 3 is not, it is an unequal to 3 by 9. See, the answer will be not same. So division is not commutative for integers. So in associative law also, see, 8 divided by B divided by C is an unequal, you know that. A divided by B is divided by C. So, like, see, 2 divided, see, if you take A as 2, see, 2 divided by 4 divided by 6 is unequal to 2 divided by 4 bracket and divided by 6. See, the answer here will be 3 and here will be 1 by 12. So division is not associated to integers. So no, division by 0, you know that. See, here also there are so many differences. Means, see, if A by 0, there is no answer. It is infinitive. Means it not as defined. It is an infinitive. So it is not defined. But in 0 by A, see, in 0 by A, it can be defined. But when it is an rules, B means 0 is not an A. Yeah, see, if A is 0, it will be not applicable. If A is another numbers 2, 3 or 4, etc., so it will be applicable. So, and another is, for any integer divided by 1 gives the same integer, means 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2. 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3, means for any integer divided by 1 gives same integer. Thank you. For online exam, please see the link in description and attend the online exam. Thank you. Please subscribe this channel and watch more videos.